our mother. This country gave us birth, nurtured us. But what did it ask in return? Just our honesty, our hard work, our contribution. But what are we doing? We are bounded by the chains of unemployment, fleeing abroad in search of opportunities. We are trapped by the selfish games of political parties. Corruption has woven a web that is extinguishing the light of our futures. Youth, rise! We are the torch bearers of change. If you do not raise our voices, who will? If you do not build this nation, who will? We are the fire that will burn away the darkness. We are the storm that will sweep away injustice and bring prosperity. We are the fire. We will burn every despair away. Now we must decide. Will we drown in the darkness of despair or rise as the sons of hope? Will we change the fate of this nation or will we let it remain in shackles? King Birendra once said, even if I die, shall my country live on? All the youths, carry these words in your heart and engrave a monument of change in the course of history. Nepal is ours and its future is in our hands. Jai Yuva, Jai Nepal!
ዲክታቶሪያው ስርዓት ኣብ ውሽጢ ኤርትራ እዩ ዘሎ ኣብ ውሽጢ ኤርትራ ክወድቕ ኣሎ ኣብ ውሽጢ ኤርትራ ከውድቆ ዝኽእል ቀለቤት ናይቲ ብደገ ዝምራሕ ተቃውሞን ኣብ ውሽጢ እቲ ስርዓት ተሰዊሩ ዘሎ ተቃውሞን ድልዱል ምትእስሳር ይፍጠር ኣሎ ትምንቲ እዚ ኣብ ናይ ዓወት ስትራቴጂና ህዝቢ እቲ ማእከላዊ ሓይሊ እዩ ውሽጢ ኤርትራ ከዓ እቲ ቀንዲ ዓውዲ ናይ ተቃውሞ ክንገብሮ ክንክእል ኣለና ኣብ ውሽጢ ኤርትራ ዘየንፀባርቕ ተቃውሞ ኣብ ትሕቲ እቶ ምልክት ክኣቱን ኣይግድን ሎሚ ናይ ዓወት ስትራቴጂና ስኢልና ኣብ ንጓዓዘሉ ዘለና ግዜ ዲሞክራሲ ንጭርሕ ዲሞክራሲ ንፅውዕ ንሓልም ንዝምር ግን ጽባሕ ንግሆ ስልጣን ናብ ህዝብና ክርከብ ዲ ኣይርከብን ህዝብና መሰላቱ ክጭብድ ኣይጭብጥን ዲሞክራሲ ክትከል ዲ ኣይትከልን ሕቶ ስለ ዝኾነ ምክንያቱ መጀመርታ ዘይኮነ ንኻልኣይ ግዜ መታን ከይንጥለም ውሕስነታት ናይ ዲሞክራሲያዊ ዓወታትና ሕጂ ሎሚ ኣትሒዝና ከነንብሮ ክንስርቶ ክንክእል ኣለና ንናሓልማ ኤርትራ ኣብ ራእይና ካብ ሕጂ ውሕስነታት ከነስርት ኣለና ክንፅበ የብልናን ክንብል ከለና ሓደ